Hey, today I'm going to teach you how to bolt your folding mechanism on a Razor Pro model deck. So, first you just have to strip all your pieces of your folding mech. And to do that, all you need is pliers, and there'll be like black rings on some of the bolts, and that's what you use the pliers for. Then you just like beat them out with a screwdriver or something. Then once all that is out, something that looks like this will be in your folding mech, and just take that out, and you're going to need that for later. So you're going to need 3 bolts. One that will fit in this slot. One that will fit down in this hole. And the one that fits in this hole is the same one that goes right here. Alright, so some people like to use lock nuts, but I think it's better if you use a lock washer and a normal nut. This is what a normal nut looks like. And this is what a lock washer looks like. It basically looks like a smaller washer with a slit in it. Yeah. The wrenches you're going to need to bolt your folding mech is 2 9/16 and 2 1/2. Alright, so you can take your bars off, and that makes it a lot easier. But I prefer, well, I just didn't. Oh yeah, well, first there's a plate that goes right here that connects to both sides of your folding mech rails. And you're going to want to take that off, and that will allow this part of the rails right here of your foldy to grip on your head tube better. So yeah. Alright, now just put your head tube in. And take one of your smaller bolts. Take off a washer and a lock washer, and just put it in. Just have to line up the holes. It's kind of hard to do with your bars on, but oh, I got it. There. Now it should look like this. Yeah, well, turn this around to show you. Now you're going to put on a normal washer. Just slide it on. Then you're going to put on a lock washer. Then you're going to just finger tighten your normal nut. Just keep on screwing it on. Alright. Now this is what it looks like. Yeah. Now you're going to take your bigger bolt and put it in up through here. So same thing again, just take off your nut, take off a washer and a lock washer, and just slide it in. Make sure it's all the way down. There you go. It should look like this. Alright. Now, this is where this comes in. So you're going to just slide this right in here, and that will prevent this bolt from sliding up into this part of your head tube, and you won't ever have to take out the bolt of your folding knife and put it back on. So take your washer, put it on. Take your lock washer and put it on. And then again, just finger tighten your nut. There you go. Now, you're going to take your 2 1/2 and you're going to start to tighten. You're going to start to tighten the bottom one. Just like make sure your head tube is all the way forward and your brush all the way forward, and just tightening isn't hard. You just have to keep on going like this. Just keep on tightening it. You want to tighten this one really hard. Make sure it's really tight. There. Now it should look like this. Yeah. Only better play right now. So now you're going to take your 2 9/16 and do the exact same thing. Put one on your nut and put one on the head of your bolt. Alright, now again, just keep on tightening it. You tighten this one a lot too. No play in the folding mechanism. Now, you don't have to do this, but this bolt goes in through here, and it makes this part of the rail right here grip on your head tube. So these parts of the rail grip on your head tube, and that will eliminate even more play. So again, take off a washer and a lock washer. Just slide it in. This is what it looks like. You put on your normal washer, then put on your lock washer. Now, again, finger tighten your normal nut. Now you're going to take your 2 1/2 again and just do the exact same thing as you did to all the others. Just keep on tightening it. Except this one, you don't want this one to be as tight as the others. You still want it to be really tight, but not as tight, because you can snap the rails on your folding rack. Make sure it's tight. Alright, that's good. Well, you're done. You won't have any play, and if you do, it will be in your headset. So that's how to bolt a foldy, and I hope this helped.